As a leading manufacturer of military standard products, we have gathered top scientific research forces and equipped with advanced production facilities to achieve excellent quality with military-grade standards. Each process strictly complies with military standards. From strict screening of raw materials, to precision processing of parts, to meticulous assembly, and full quality control to ensure that each product meets military-grade standards and pursues ultimate quality. After multiple extreme tests such as high and low temperature, waterproof and drop-proof, each indicator is strictly tested. Our military standard products are still stable and reliable in harsh environments, interpreting excellent quality with strength and providing solid guarantee for needs. It is widely used in key areas such as field communications and border defense power supply. It operates reliably in complex environments and provides stable support for the execution of military missions. It is a trustworthy military industry partner. Choose DWIS Military Standard Products. Protect trust with military quality and assist every mission in the professional field.